10 Best Fuel Filter for 6.7 Cummins, 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ram 6.7L Cummins Fuel Filter Water Separator. Protecting your Ram's powerful 6.7L Cummins engine is paramount, and our fuel filter water separator is engineered precisely for that. Designed specifically for 2019 to 2024 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models, this essential package includes both 6843661AA and 6815729 filters, plus safety gloves for a hassle-free swap. Crafted with premium original Italy Alstrom 3-layer filter paper, it captures an incredible 99% of water, impurities, and contaminants down to 4 microns, surpassing typical filters. This superior filtration ensures a steady flow of clean, dry diesel, maximizing engine performance and preventing costly damage. With an extended lifespan of 20,000 to 40,000 miles, you get lasting peace of mind and unwavering reliability for your toughest jobs. Number 9. Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Kit 2013 to 2018. Keep your Ram 6.7L Cummins roaring with confidence. Doc's Diesel Filter Combo Kit for 2013 to 2018 models is your all-in-one solution for peak performance and engine longevity. Forget the hassle of tracking down individual filters. Our convenient kit includes everything you need: a high-efficiency fuel/water separator, fuel filter, oil filter, and engine air filter. Each component is engineered for superior protection, with third-party tested efficiency ratings like our 4-micron fuel/water separator, 98.49% efficient, and 99% efficient oil filter. This ensures your powerful 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500 Ram stays clean, efficient, and reliable, saving you time and money. Invest in your truck's future. Choose Doc's Diesel. Number 8. Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Fuel/Water Separator, 2013 to 2018. Hey Cummins owners, want to ensure your 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L runs flawlessly? Our Doc's Diesel Fuel/Water Separator is your ultimate defense against fuel contamination. This expertly engineered filter rigorously separates harmful water and removes nasty intruders like dirt, rust, and debris, meticulously safeguarding your entire fuel system. Experience the difference with optimized fuel flow and pressure, leading to enhanced acceleration, improved fuel economy, and peak vehicle performance. We maximize filtration media surface area, achieving an impressive 3-micron at 96.92% efficiency rating, verified by third-party testing. Complete with all necessary O-rings, maintaining your Ram's powerhouse has never been easier or more effective. Keep your Cummins thriving with Doc's Diesel. Number 7. K&N Performance Diesel Filter Ram 6.7L Cummins. Give your Ram 6.7L Cummins the clean fuel it deserves with the K&N Performance Diesel Filter. As a Cummins owner, you know reliable power is paramount, and our filter ensures consistent fuel delivery to your engine thanks to its high-efficiency pleated cellulose glass media. This premium media provides excellent fuel system protection, actively helping to extend your engine's life and maintain peak performance. Engineered as a direct replacement, it meets or exceeds OEM standards, making installation straightforward. Plus, its robust, high-strength steel canister construction means it's built tough for the long haul. Upgrade to K&N for unparalleled fuel system integrity and peace of mind on every journey. Number 6. Ram 6.7L Cummins Fuel Filter Water Separator Set. Number 5. 6.7 Cummins Ram Fuel Filter Water Separator Set, 2019 to 2024. Your 6.7L Cummins Ram is a workhorse, and keeping it running strong demands top-tier protection. This fuel filter water separator set is precision engineered to safeguard your 2019 to 2024 Ram 2500 to 5500, acting as a crucial line of defense. By effectively removing harmful particles and separating water from your fuel, you're directly prolonging engine life and ensuring peak performance. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, our set meets or even exceeds stringent OEM standards, guaranteeing reliability you can trust on every journey. This direct replacement seamlessly replaces popular OEM numbers, offering exceptional value without compromising on quality. Give your Ram the clean fuel it deserves and drive with confidence. Number 4. Amazon's overall best pick. Discover why Doc's diesel fuel filters are truly Amazon's overall best pick for your 2019 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins. As a product expert, I can tell you these aren't just filters, they're essential engine guardians. Our high-quality design proactively eliminates damaging contaminants like water and debris, protecting your vital fuel system components. The real benefit? You'll experience optimized fuel flow and pressure, translating directly into noticeably enhanced acceleration and improved fuel economy. With a rigorous 3-micron at 96.92% efficiency rating, verified by third-party testing, you get unmatched filtration and peace of mind. Invest in Docs to ensure your Cummins performs at its absolute peak, reliably, for every journey ahead. Number 3. 2019 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Set. Keep your 2019 to 2023 Ram 6.7L Cummins running strong with Doc's Diesel Filter Set. As a product expert, I can tell you these aren't just any filters. Doc's Diesel meticulously designs each component to meet or exceed OEM standards, utilizing premium, multi-layer media for superior filtration. This means cleaner fuel and oil for your engine, directly translating to enhanced performance, greater reliability, and extended longevity for your valuable truck. You'll receive a complete kit: fuel/water separator, and oil filters, all engineered for a perfect OEM form, fit, and function. Doc's Diesel is rapidly becoming the new standard in aftermarket filtration, providing the high-quality, reliable protection your Cummins deserves, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. Mopar OEM Ram 6.7L Diesel Filter Kit, 2020 to 2024. As a Ram owner, you understand the relentless demands placed on your 6.7L Cummins. That's why maintaining it with the right parts is non-negotiable. Introducing the Mopar OEM Diesel Filter Kit, specifically engineered for your 2020 to 2024 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500. This isn't just any filter kit. It's genuine Mopar, ensuring perfect compatibility and the superior filtration your powerful engine deserves. Protect your investment by preventing harmful contaminants from degrading performance and shortening engine life. You'll experience optimal fuel efficiency and peace of mind knowing your truck is running exactly as the factory intended. Please note, this kit is precisely designed for 2020 to 2024 models and is not compatible with earlier 2013 to 2019 Rams. Keep your Ram performing flawlessly. Number 1. 2019 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins Maintenance Kit. Keep your 2019 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins roaring with our complete 5-in-1 maintenance kit. Expertly designed for your 2500 to 5500, this kit ensures a perfect, confidence-inspiring fit, taking the guesswork out of crucial maintenance. You'll get our professional-grade fuel filter, featuring Italy Alstrom 3-layer microfilter paper, meticulously separating 99% of contaminants and water for ultimate injector protection and performance. Paired with high-efficiency synthetic media air and oil filters, your engine will breathe cleaner, run smoother, and achieve peak efficiency. Experience extended engine life, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions, mile after mile. Trust in quality parts that meet or exceed OEM standards, ensuring your Ram performs powerfully and reliably. So, that sums up my 10 best fuel filter for 6.7 Cummins. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.